Hi everyone, my name is Pragati Jadhav, first year diploma of Civil Department from ZIL Institute Polytechnic Nare, Pune. Name of the mini project is Explain Construction and Working Frictional Distillation Plant of Crude Oil. Project by Pragati Bharat Jadhav and Praveen Nagnath Sangve and guide by Professor Bhagat Ma'am. Abstract. Crude oil distillation systems are energy-intensive processes. A crude oil distillation system typically comprises a preheat train, a pre-flash unit and atmospheric distillation unit. Pre-flash unit in a crude oil distillation system create opportunities to reduce demand for fire heating. This work aims to develop a new design approach to enhance production and to reduce energy consumption and operating cost. Existing design methodologies do not allow systematic design optimization of crude oil distillation system with pre-flash units. Thus, a systematic approach with proposed that exploits interaction between the separation units and the heat recovery system while meeting product quality specifications. The petroleum industry. Crude oil distillation is also known as fractionation. The first step in the refining process is the separation of crude oil into various fractions of straight run cuts by distillation in an atmospheric distillant column. The main fraction or cuts obtained have specific boiling point ranges can be classified in order of decreasing volatility into gases, light distillates, middle distillates, gas oils, and residuum. Following is a brief description of an atmospheric distillation tower. The desalted crude feedstock is first preheated using recovered process heat. The feedstock is then sent to a direct fired crude charge where it is fed into vertical distillation column just above the bottom. Here the pressure are slightly above atmospheric and temperatures range from 650 to 700. Any heating of crude oil above the temperatures can cause undesirable thermal cracking. All but the heaviest fraction flash into vapor as the hot vapor rises in the tower. Temperatures are reduced via coming by natural convection. Heavy fuel oil or asphalt residue is taken from the bottom. At successively higher points on the tower, the various major products including lubricant oil, heating oil, kerosene, gasoline and uncondensed gases which condense at lower temperatures are captured. Overall system. Crude oil distillation plant has many components. Example crude oil furnace, distillation towers and heat exchanger network. Illustrate a schematic diagram of the crude oil distillation system considered here. The system consists of two crude oil distillation units, the atmospheric distillation unit and the vacuum distillation unit, two crude oil furnace and heat exchanger network. The hen is not shown, but its effective via utilizing high temperature product streams to preheat the crude oil is analyzed. A crude oil mass flow rate of 507 kg, 300,000 barrels per day is considered. Model of crude oil distillation plant. Distillation columns can be seen in the left and right portions of the photo. Thank you.